Start by washing the shirt out so that it's nice and clean. When it's still damp, lay it out on a table. Then take the shirt in the left-hand corner and fold it in the diagonal across to the top right-hand corner of the shirt. Then take a pair of vice grips and grab all of the layers of the fabric, or 4 layers of the fabric, and start to twist. Carry on twisting until you have a tidy little bundle. Tuck in all of the loose ends that are flapping about, and then attach 3 elastic bands to hold all of the creases in place. Make sure that the elastic bands cross over the center of the twist. Then add different colors onto different segments of your pie using a syringe or a squeeze bottle. Once the dye has been heat set, you can wash it out in some clean water until you get rid of all the excess dye. This is what this pattern will look like when you have finished.